Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Fool in reverse, Ten of Suns in reverse, and Ace of Moons in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Gemini, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Maybe today you feel a little blank or you feel out of sync. Maybe something is not right and you feel really tired or stressed over some things, and you are feeling distracted, you are unable to concentrate, and it may be the worry you have about someone close to you, it may be about this person you love. So something is bothering you or worrying you today, guys, and that is the reason you are distracted today and you are not able to concentrate. Let it be in your work or even in your life, in your personal life. You are unable to communicate to anyone. You are just blank, maybe thinking what will be the next thing or what is going to happen. So some kind of worries are there in your situation, and maybe the reasons may be someone is sick or ill in your situation, so that is worrying you a lot. Maybe, guys, this person's illness, maybe you are the one who has to take care of this person, or who is someone responsible, who is the only one who can help them. So you are you are someone who has this person's illness burdening you, or you are the one responsible for their for taking care of them, guys. So some kind of worries you are facing today because of this, and there may be certain obstacles you are facing in your work situation or in your relationship, guys. There are some things not working to your expectation again. That may be the reason you feel really lost, stuck, maybe unable to decide anything. And for some of you, you are worried. Maybe you are comparing this situation to something in your past or something that has happened in your past, and you're worried even more, Gemini. So maybe certain certain drastic things would have happened in the past in similar kind of circumstance, and you are comparing this situation with that, and you're worrying a lot, guys. But you need to understand, Gemini, you should not forget the people who are there in your life. Maybe you have friends or someone, maybe your family member, someone to whom you can communicate these problems and take their guidance or help. So there are people to help you in your situation, and there is someone who is ready to relieve you from the stressful situation. So you should take their help or a suggestion, guys. So there is a person who is truly concerned about you, and they are here to help you today, guys. So you need not worry about your situation. So whatever is happening, this person is going to help you, support you in every possible way, and you are coming out of this difficult situation that you are facing in your life today, guys, Gemini. And there are great changes happening in your situation. It may be drastic, it may be painful today, but this is something like a change of caterpillar to a butterfly. So this change is necessary, this metamorphosis is necessary in your life to bring out that positivity, guys. So it is simply here to change you for the better, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card, and this is your first crystal and second crystal. So you can either choose the crystals or the cards. So before choosing, we will close our eyes, meditate for a few seconds, think about our situation that needs to be answered. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this crystal and this card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. Let's see what it is. It's an angel card, guys, and it is Archangel Raphael. So with this card, whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today, helping us out in this particular situation. So this angel stands for healing, guys, healing at all levels, healing mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. And his healing light will ensure safety for us, safe travel, and guiding us and helping us, assisting us to reach our destination. So it may be a destination we may be reaching physically, or it may be a dream destination for ourselves, maybe the emotional growth that we have, vision for ourselves, or a spiritual growth that we have hopes for in our future. So whatever the destination is, this angel is here guiding us to have that potential and choosing a nurturing and a very healthy lifestyle for us to follow, so that it will increase our potential we have in our life, guys. And with this card, there is also that energy for you to heal yourself and help others also to heal in their situation. So whatever is beneficial for you and for the people around you or the people with you, to help them in their physical and spiritual growth. So you should go for those actions, and we will get that insight and clarity in our situation. So whatever needs to be done, that is what this angel is here guiding us today, guys. So maybe it is time we are maybe in a circumstance healing from something, maybe healing from an illness or healing from some emotional stress, and this angel is here guiding us today to get that clarity, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading with this card. So let's keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we will see what is the card, and it says come to the edge. So with this card, guys, it just means that today it is the time for us to take that leap of faith in our situation, overcoming fear and accepting the risk that we are facing today in that circumstance. So in a relationship, sometimes we need to take a risk. So we often hide ourselves, protect ourselves, so we never reveal what we truly feel to that other person. But today, maybe you need to take that risk yourself, allow yourself to be truly seen. So what you are, you need to show it to that other person. So it is important for you to speak up, voice what you need and say what you want, and only then this person will understand you and you will be able to build an authentic relationship. So if you want a deep meaningful relationship, this is not the time for you to play it safe, but it is the time to take that leap of faith, take that one step towards truth and reveal what you truly want to this other person. And you have to have courage in your heart, guys, and need not fear about what this person will think or what they will assume of you. So you have to just show them the truth, and you need not fear. The results will be amazing and you will feel wonderful for having shown this person your true nature, your true feelings and your true emotions. And this is the time for that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.